If you have 0 to 2 years of work experience and dream of joining top B schools such as IIM A, B and C, or want to work at top firms such as McKinsey, BCG and Bain, this is for you. The first ever batch for ISB PGP Young Leader program has completed its summer interns and the results are amazing. MBB Consulting, top finance firms, FMCG giants, all recruiting freshers with just average work ex of 11 months. Let me break down everything that you need to know about this program. First, some context. The PGP Young Leaders is ISB 2-year MBA designed specifically for early career professionals. Unlike their flagship PGP, which needs 2+ years of work experience, this program accepts candidates with minimal or even zero work experience. The inaugural batch, the 2024-26 cohort, has an average work ex of 11 months. That's significantly lower than any traditional MBA program in India. And yet, they have managed to attract top-tier recruiters. This alone tells you something about how the industry is responding to this program. Now let's talk numbers. The batch received over 175 internship offers from 38 companies. The average stipend stood at 3.2 lakhs with the highest stipend touching 7.3 lakhs. Coming to recruiters, McKinsey, Bain, BCG, Accenture, Jefferies, Mastercard, HUL, ITC, Colgate, Palmolive, Amazon and Aditya Birla Group all participated in the placement process. MBB alone, that's McKinsey, BCG and Bain, extended 19 offers collectively. Accenture was the top recruiter with 37 offers in total. These are not just companies, these are same firms that recruit from IIM Ahmedabad, Bangalore and Calcutta, and now they are hiring from ISB's Young Leader batch. Let us look at the sector-wise split. Consulting dominated heavily with 47% of all offers. Apart from MBB and Accenture, firms like EY, PwC and Deloitte USI also recruited for strategy, analytics and business transformation roles. Finance, investment advisory and private equity accounted for 19% of offers. Recruiters included Jefferies, Mastercard, Barclays, Sovereign Investments, DSP Asset Managers, JM Financial, Motilal Oswal and Axis Bank. FMCG made up 11% of the offers. HUL, ITC, Colgate, Palmolive, Dabur and Castrol recruited for brand management and marketing strategy roles. Now the technology, it contributed 10% of the offers. Amazon, Media.net, Practo, Ola hired primarily for product management roles. Conglomerates like Aditya Birla Group, Hinduja Group and Adani Enterprises and Jindal accounted for 7% of the offers, offering role in business operations, transformation and strategy. The remaining 6% came from companies such as Hero MotoCorp, Country Delight, William J. Clinton Foundation and Oyo Rooms, spanning operations, strategy and emerging tech. So what does this mean for you as an aspirant? First, you don't need work experience to get into a premium B school. Even with zero work experience, you can be the part of ISB's legacy and get placed at top firms at par with top IIMs. Second, if CAT didn't go well, you can take the GMAT or GRE and still make it to this program. Here's why GMAT is a smart backup option. Let's say if you score well, the score is valid for over 5 years. That means you can apply to global top B schools, take more work experience if you want and reapply later without any pressure. And also the doors for executive MBA opens up abroad. That means you can finish your MBA in just 1 year. Third, if you are planning to take CAT next year, having GMAT in hand means you already have ISB and SP Gen calls secured. That takes a lot of stress off your CAT preparation. Now, how do you actually get into this program? There are 3 pathways: CAT, GMAT and GRE. There is no official cutoff mentioned, but here are the average scores of the cohort. GMAT Focus Edition is 677, CAT is 99.1 percentile and GMAT is 327. So you can choose the exam according to your strengths. Your academics, test scores, essays and interview together decide your admit. So even if you are slightly below these average scores, a strong profile and interview can still make the cut. That's your complete guide for ISB PGP Young Leaders, from admission process to placement, everything all in one video. Let us know in the comments if you have any doubt and subscribe us for more content like this. Till then, see you in the next video.